What do you think of Electrolux versus Viking refrigerators?
Electrolux refrigerators have problems with leaks and temperature control. Electrolux ice makers have tons of problems, working intermittently if at all.
What happens to the temperature control?
When some of the Electrolux refrigerators say they are 35, they are really 40. And that's on top of the leaks.
I don't think they have leaks in the freezer.
The racks in the freezers regularly rust. That's on top of some of the racks simply not fitting well in their holders in the first place.
Okay, that's bad. That's something to call customer service about.
Electrolux customer support is abominable. They are happy to sell you an extended warranty, but slow to replace parts on the fridge under the current warranty.
I'd still get a replacement part.
Replacement Electrolux parts are expensive, and they tend to take several visits to fix the problem.
I'm surprised they have these problems, given the star power behind them. Kali Ripa is the sales rep for at least one line of Electrolux refrigerators.
Pretty expensive, mediocre quality that is lousy when you consider how much you pay for it.
How are Viking refrigerators rated?
Viking refrigerators aren't rated by Consumer Reports. They don't sell enough to warrant a review alongside Whirlpool and LG.
What do you know about them?
Viking refrigerators have problems with the seal and moisture control. It results in water accumulating in the drain pan under the fridge, a perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes or mold.
No one should have mosquitoes in their kitchen. That's worse than flies.
Viking refrigerators have ice makers as bad as the Electrolux ones. And Viking services as bad as Electrolux.
Viking fridge is certainly as tough as their namesake.
They are as unreliable as their namesakes, though.